Hi, I have an unboxing, kit number 2 from that wet Diamond Art Club box. You remember that Diamond Art Club box that I got that was wet? The whole one side of it was wet and the box stunk, so I couldn't wait to get my stuff out of that box because I don't know how long it had been sitting in water, but it had an odor to it too. But anyway, I I got another kit I've been waiting for, and I didn't even realize it was back in stock till I was ordering my pumpkins, and I needed to order something else, put my $15 for shipping towards another canvas. And I was looking and I noticed this one was there and it was in stock. And it is a MrsButterD one that I hesitated when it first came out because I really didn't need any more. But, I mean, right, guys? We don't want to pay shipping if we don't have to. So I put that 15 bucks towards the canvas and I got it. So let's see what I got. Oh, it's big. It is 25.6 inches by 35.4 inches. It is got 62 colors, including 2 ABs and 6 fairy dust, and it has a total of 94,221 drills. What is it? It is Artsy Girl. Yep, I know. That she is one I wanted. So I got it. I got it. Okay, garbage goes that way. Okay, now we get to pull out the shelf. Okay, we get your typical toolkit. I just hope it's clear wax, not the putty. I don't like the putty, and it is clear wax. So you get these cool pens. They're preloaded with wax, clear, and you get baggies. You get a cool tray. I like their trays too. Hopefully, and here's a little red bag of baggies. I'm hoping to have enough trays where I can kit up my kits right in these trays. So, and in here you get your multi-placer, which I like because it's thin, and you get red wax, and you get more clear wax. And this is the newer style trays where they're angled on the sides. So happy with that. So let's put this toolkit back in here. Everything you need to diamond paint is right in here. Okay. All right, guys. Are we ready? Put in the comments. I'll give you a few seconds. Oh, what do you think this is? Because I have no idea. I'm seeing it just like you are. So I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, I need to know. All right, you ready? Here we go. Yep, it's a bronze. It's a bronze. Hey, but my pumpkins, if you remember, was a silver, guys. So this is a bronze, and I like the card. They're kind of cool. I'm going to put them in my book. So I'm going to keep it out. And here is the canvas again. And here's your colors, 62 of them. I'm going to put this back in here because you know I do inventory. And then this is my pumpkins. I put them in a baggie. And I put the card, not the card, but the little envelope contents right there. So that I know what it is. All right, let's see Artsy Girl. How many of you have completed Artsy Girl already? Because she's not a new canvas. It's not new. It's, I don't know, a year old maybe? But it's one I've been wanting. And I kept changing my mind every time I seen it on the D-Stash. And honestly, with the discount code from the VIP group and taking off the $15 for not paying shipping, it is worth it buying it directly from the source. But I have purchased a canvas from a D-Stash before. And here are the colors. Look at that palette. Look how bright. Look how bright. And look, here's an AB right here. Ugh. Oh, we'll get to these. All right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. She is a big one. So she's going to take me about a month and a half, in addition to doing a small one as well. So let's take a look. If you've already seen it, go ahead and put a comment in there that you've already seen this unboxed, and you're going to go on to the next video. I'm not mad at all. Okay. Here we go. Maybe. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Oops, we need to go this way, don't we? Let me see. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh, look how pretty that is. This is called Artsy Girl, but I kind of see it as a retro girl. Look at that. Look at the flower, the jar of brushes, the sneakers. I had a pair of sneakers like that. Nice. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. So that is Artsy Girl. So I'm going to put this over here. And let's look at these colors. Oh my, look at them. Look at them. Pretty. Let's see if we can find the specials. Okay, here's an AB. And right next to it is a fairy dust. And here's another fairy dust. Oh, these are pretty fairy dusts. The green. And this is a pretty yellow. I like this yellow. Lots of pretty colors in this. Here's another fairy dust, a green. They look very close, don't they? Oh my gosh, they look identical. This is Z995. And this one is Z564. Pretty. All right, that's that train. Look at all this pretty color. 948 has got, wow, wow, wow. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags of 948. Look at how pretty. It's probably going to be the background. At least it's not black. Okay. Here's the other fairy dust, the white, with some hitchhikers in it. And here's another AB, pretty yellow. Look at that. Okay, and then our last train, maybe. Pretty colors. Here's a 6000. 6000 is a color Diamond Art Club came up with to fit in the color wheel. They felt it was missing and needed it, so they came up with that number. Here's another 6000. We'll get to that in a second. Nice. Beautiful colors. Oh, beautiful colors. 6012. These are purples. Very nice colors. I'm going to have fun with this one. Look at that blue. Look at this. I bet you there's only like 20 drills that we need for this one. Or probably 2. Small amounts. 6011. I feel like I saw 6011. 6012. Oh, maybe we did this train already. I think we did this train already. But it's all good. This is going to be pretty. And I'm not even trying to put it back in here. I'm not going to do it. Look at these colors. Oh, these are pretty. This is going to be fun. This is a square. 94,000 drills. 12 bags of number 948. And we have, once again, it is 62 colors. And we've got 2 ABs, 2 6,000 numbers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fairy dust, guys. This canvas is going to sparkle. Look at that. I can't wait. but it will be done next year during a MrsButterD event. So, I am pampered with diamonds. I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing of Artsy Girl. And be kind to